There is no forward button next to the voice messages in Instagram, but I've got a simple trick that can help you to send a voice message to someone else on Instagram. Let's get into it. So open up your Instagram application and go to your chats, select the chat where you have this voice message you wish to forward, and now swipe down from the top right to open the control center. You need this button, this is screen recording. First tap and hold this button and make sure the microphone is off. Then tap on any empty place on the screen and tap on this button. Now you see this countdown. Now screen recording has been started. Now play your voice message.
This is very interesting voice message. I think you would like to forward it to somebody else.
Now tap on the black label at the top of the screen. Stop recording. Recording saved to photos. Now close this chat and open the chat with the person you wish to forward your message to, and tap on the gallery icon over here and send your latest screen recording. Tap on send. Once this video uploaded, the person will be able to play this video and hear your voice message. The same way you can record multiple voice messages into one video, and if you don't have the screen recording button in the control center, you need just to tap on the empty place and then tap on add a control and you will find your button over here. And to record the screen on Android devices, you need to swipe down from the top, then swipe down one more time to open this full panel. Find the screen recorder icon here, or if you don't see this icon, you need to tap on the edit icon or three dots depending on the Android version. Then select the full panel, and from here you can add additional icons to your toolbar. So add screen recorder icon just like this. Tap on done, then go back. And now once again swipe down from the top and tap on your screen recorder icon. Select media only, you don't need mic unless you really need it, and tap on start recording. Wait for the countdown and play your message. Unless you don't hear the sound now, the sound is being recorded anyway. So let's check this. Stop the screen recording. Recording saved, it's saved to your gallery. So now let's go back. Let's select another chat. Let's tap on gallery icon and send the latest screen recording. Let's add a little bit sound.
This is very interesting voice message. I think you would like to forward it to somebody else.
And that's it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.